Hey guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we will be propagating one philodendron that I really like here, and I have cried because of this. So this is it guys, and I didn't expect that it will grow so fast. Ngayon, marami na siyang dahon from the time that I got it home na nabali pa yung dahon kasi nga mayroong nagkasala dito. Pero now it's okay, all good. This is now growing beautiful, and for this time, pwede na natin siyang ipropagate. Well, it's up to you if you'd like to put it in a pole, but for us, we love to propagate this because of these red color that you can see at the back of the leaves, nawawala po siya habang lumalaki. So, mas gusto ko siyang tingnan na klarong-klaro yung red part niya. So, if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. So, let's start! Prepared beforehand what are needed. So meron na tayong potting media. We also have the Millona fiber ready. Napatuyo na yan. We have the cinnamon powder, and of course, magre-recycle lang tayo ng pot. And we also have the coconut husk. May paggagamitan tayo nito. So what we will be propagating is Philodendron sebastatum. I do not know, but it's closely related to hastatum. Just the name but they look different guys. The hastatum is the silver sword. We already had the video about it. Na-propagate na namin siya, and we have saved it from the attack that it had. Naka-recover na din siya. Pero ito guys is completely different. You can see that it's totally green in front, but at the back of the leaves, medyo red siya guys. While growing up, nawawala po tong kulay red, which is something that I don't like. Kasi nakakita na ako ng matured version nito kina Sir Rodline, and it lost the red color at the back guys. So I'd love to let it stay as it is kasi maganda po siyang tingnan. It makes it distinct from other philodendrons that we have here kasi nga mapula-pula yung likod niya. There are other philodendrons though na mapula-pula yung likod. Basta I just love this sebastatum guys, and I'm sure if you have this one, makaka-relate kayo what I feel about this. This is also a climbing philodendron. Makikita nyo naman, yung mga ugat niya lumalabas na. So kapag na-pole to, kumakapit na sana to sa pole guys. Unfortunately, we haven't had any poles nowadays. So ngayon, ipopropagate namin siya, which is something that I'd like to see na magkaroon na naman siya ng mga bagong dahon. Kasi medyo dark yung likod niya kapag baby pa. So we will be preparing the pot. Of course, maglalagay tayo ng coconut fiber dito sa pinaka-bottom ng pot. Sobrang dami pa naman ng butas ng pot na to, which is something that I really like. You don't have to check out kung okay ba yung butas kasi kapag ganito, for sure, okay yung drainage niya. This is the coconut husk guys na natira sa pinagkunan namin ng coconut fiber, and we will be using this kasi naisip niya it would be best to put something like more of a brace sa pinakailalim ng pot para hindi aalog-alog yung bagong propagate na plant, lalo na kapag maliit and medyo gusto nating mag-recover kaagad. Based on experience, magiging fast yung ina-aim namin na recovery kapag hindi talaga na-disturb yung plant. For now guys, sinusukat niya lang muna kasi ilalagay natin to sa ilalim bago natin punuin ng potting media yung pot na gagamitin natin for today. So ayan, kasya na sa kanya, so it's good to go. And this is how it's looking like up close guys. So I'm really not sure what is his plan for this one. This is the first time that we are doing this, but I have no choice but to trust his ways kasi siya naman ang gumagawa. And most of what he does for our plants are usually effective. So hindi ko pinagdududahan yung care niya sa plants namin. So I'm sure it's gonna work. So we have tried to show you guys how we take care of our plants and the techniques that we usually find out through experience. So it's really up to you kung ano yung magustuhan yung gawin and if it will work on your plants. I just hope that what works for us will work the same way on you. So hindi pa kahirapan ng pag-cut nito. We just have to make sure na walang matatama ang roots kasi all the roots will be needed para makarecover siya kaagad. So eto na siya guys with all of those roots na meron siya. As what I have said on our previous videos, yung mga ganitong types of philodendrons guys, they're quite juicy, kaya nilagyan na yan ng cotton kasi mas gusto natin na mag-dry siya kaagad para malagyan natin ng cinnamon powder. And medyo pait pa yung mga roots niya, but I know for sure that Philodendron sabastatum isn't really that sensitive, guys, kasi kahit nabagsakan siya ng isang malaking folder, still it managed to recover. So now we will be using the cinnamon powder, guys, kasi ito talaga yung pangpahil namin ng sugat ng philodendron. But if you have a lot of aloe veras at home, it would be best to make use of it para hindi na din kayo makabili. Aloe vera also works, guys, plus wala pang gastos if you have a lot at home. Tapos, it can also act as a root booster, guys. Pero sa amin kasi, since may nakapagturo sa amin about cinnamon powder and proven na din namin siya na effective, so we are using this and talagang sanay na kami dito. Parang all around na nga siya sa amin, guys, kasi ginagamit namin siyang panggamot every time na may nag-i-infest na mga insects dito sa plants namin. And of course, hinahalo din namin siya sometimes sa potting media para hindi siya atakihin because there are really insects that hate how cinnamon powder smells. So far, so good kasi yung mga ginagamot namin na cinnamon powder, yung gamit nakaka-recover kaagad, guys. And ngayon, lumalaki na. Just like the philodendron hastatum or the silver sword, I never even thought na makaka-recover siya. But ngayon na nakakakita na ako ng mga babies na papalabasan, of course, bagong dahon dun sa top cut, I stand forever for cinnamon powder. 100% effective, guys. Talagang try nyo and di kayo magsisisi. So here it is, guys, nakalagay na siya dito sa stem ng Philodendron sabastatum namin, and then ilalagay natin siya sa pinaka-bottom bago tayo mag-add ng potting media dito. So ito na yung mag-hold sa kanya para hindi siya aalog-alog. That way, makaka-recover siya kaagad. Yung mga roots, guys, na maliliit, madali din silang kakapit sa mga cocoa chips na nilagay namin dito sa potting media. Of course, we make sure na yung potting media na gamit namin is super effective pa din kahit rainy days, guys, hindi magsistay yung excess water para iwas rotting tayo dito. We don't like that. We want our philodendrons to stay as healthy as possible. Of course, guys, ina-arrange na din yung ugat niya para walang maipit bago tayo mag-add ng potting media. And ayan, nakalagay na siya sa center ng pot. Ito talaga yung mas gusto namin. And before we finish this video nga pala, shout out to Eileen Murphy from the Island of Fire, Sikihor. Thank you so much for joining Philodendron Bohol and for subscribing to PLANTZILLA. God bless you po. Maraming salamat. While he is adding some more potting mix, guys, i-remind ko lang kayo if you have seen a lot of rare plants being posted online, yung mga variegated billites na mga babies pa, please make sure before buying that the supplier is legit. Let us be vigilant, guys, kasi nowadays marami na po talagang manloloko. So dapat makasure kayo bago kayo bumili. So it would be best to check out everything first, ask for proof of legitimacy and lahat para ma-sure nyo talaga na okay yung pagbibilhan nyo and hindi kayo ma-scam. So guys, if you are interested for Samanthurium magnificum and Philodendron tricolor, merong binibenta si Gerald, pwede nyo siyang i-message sa Facebook. Pero hindi lang namin alam kung paano i-ship. Mas maganda kung may kaibigan kayong taga rito para mag-ship for you. 100% stable, guys, and super alagang-alaga. Yung Philodendron tricolor nga pwede nyo nang makat in just a few months. Tapos, yung Anthurium magnificum, meron ng mga roots na nagsistick out sa pot. Kasi, product yon ng last propagation namin, which is a few months ago na. So, talagang stable na fully recovered. So, if you want to avail, message Gerald on Facebook or contact nyo lang kami sa plantzilla.bhl sa Facebook page namin. So, dahil tapos na tayo dun sa top cut, dito na naman tayo sa mother niya. So, ito guys, hindi pa namin siya ikakat. So, medyo matubig nga siya, oh. Marami siyang juices na lumabas. Kaya hindi pa siya tuyong-tuyo talaga. But after we will dry it out, lalagyan na natin siya ng cinnamon powder, of course. And meron na din pala siyang mga aerial roots, guys. So, depende na sa kanya kung lalagyan ba niya itong ng pole. Personal choice ko yon. Yung mas gusto ko baby palagi. So, propagate ang propagate. Kasi gusto kong nakikita tong red part niya dito sa likod. Pero, kapag nilagyan niya ng pole, ano pang magagawa ko? Hindi naman ako yung gagawa. But I'm not saying that it's gonna lose its beauty, ha, kapag lumaki. Kasi lumalaki po talaga yung dahon niya. I just do not know kung hanggang gaano kalaki. So yun guys, we are almost done with this video. Thank you so much for making it till the end. So I'll get to see you when we get right into the montage. So you guys, that is it for today. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell button beside it so you will be notified pag may bago kaming upload. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have the heart for greenery, then you've found a perfect place for you. This is PLANTZILLA. Bye!